Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to assign tasks in Monday.com. Whether you're working with a team or managing a project on your own, assigning tasks the right way helps keep everything organized and running smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your board. First, open the board where your tasks are listed. This could be a project board, a content calendar, a workflow board, anything you're currently working on. Make sure you're in the main table view where you can clearly see all your items. Step 2. Locate the People column. On your board, look for the People column. If you don't see one, it's super easy to add. Click plus Add Column, then choose People. This column is what allows you to assign tasks to yourself or your team members. Now, go to the row or item that you want to assign. In the People column for that item, simply click on the empty space. A list of team members will pop up. Select the person you want to assign the task to, and that's it. You can even assign multiple people if the task requires teamwork. Step 4. Use automations. Optional, but powerful. For example, you can set up Monday.com so that when a task is moved to a certain group or when a status changes, it automatically assigns the task to the person responsible. This saves time and avoids mistakes. Step 5. Check assignments. Once a task is assigned, the person will immediately see it in their My Work section. They'll also receive a notification so nothing gets missed. And that's how you assign tasks in Monday.com. It's quick, simple, and helps your team stay focused and organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching.